So we're here for the second annual Climate Action Conference, and this is an event where every year we bring the community together to give people the information and the resources they need to take action in their own lives to address climate change. At this conference, we talk about some of the specific challenges and issues that climate change is creating. This year we're focused on public health and the connection between climate change, air pollution, and public health. So people who come to the conference today will learn about that issue, but also get the specific tools and information that they might need to make the decision to purchase an EV or transition to using public transportation or even electrify their home or go solar in their home.
What I do hear a lot of times from folks is, what can I do to help? And so that's really the whole point of today, is helping to educate people on things they can do, small and big, that make a difference in our climate.
In each of the breakout sessions, we'll have panels of experts who can give you detailed information and answer detailed questions that folks might have about making those changes in their lives. We're fortunate to have great partners, nonprofits, environmental organizations, folks in the community who are passionate about these issues, who help us with this event every year. So dozens of them are here today to share their respective information with the community members who come to the conference.
It's an opportunity to sort of step back, reflect on how well are we doing here in Fairfax County. Are we having some successes that we can celebrate, and are there some areas where we're lagging that we need to improve?
I think a lot of the folks who attended last year are excited to attend again this year, and we hope to do the conference every year with a slightly different focus each year.